Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see in the shop, working on the speed as usual. Today's a little bit of a special video, kinda, maybe not, I don't know, but might be taking this thing on a dyno this weekend, actually in less than 24 hours, I guess it would be. And I'm kind of excited for that, kind of not, because you guys might have seen a video before this. I was having a little bit of issues with my car, and I'm still kind of having that issue. Haven't figured out that noise yet, but today, for prep on going on the dyno, I'm just kind of checking everything over the car. Got Kendra here helping me, and we're gonna take the fuel pump off. That's my main concern. I'm gonna take that off, clean the inside of it like we did on Kendra's speed, and re-oil it, re-lube it, just to make sure it's not dried out, because that's one of the concerns I'm kind of having with that noise. I tried to show you guys in a video before. Another thing I'm going to be doing today is spark plugs. Got these NGK Iridiums, one step colder, 6510s, and they're already gapped to 0.026, which is great. So we're going to be installing those today, and yeah, that's pretty well it, I think. My oil is good, so the drive is about an hour and a half to the dyno. So it is a little ways of a drive. It's out of province, so it is a bit of drive, and that's a concern for me as well. Kind of nervous on going over, but I don't know. I think we're just gonna full send it anyway. We'll see how it goes today first, and I'll definitely be bringing you guys along for that dyno day if we do go over. So like I said in the last video, I think it's the last video, I haven't uploaded it yet, but I talked about my tune and being almost finished on my tune. Justin did get back to me through email, and we were having a little bit more knock than we'd like to in the fourth gear pulls, so he wants me to go back a revision and go back to the last tune that we were on, or the last map we were on, because the car was running a little bit healthier on that tune. So we're gonna go back one step and use that tune for the dyno, I guess, if we go. I'm gonna be losing a little bit of power out of it, but hopefully not too much. Probably just 5 or 10 horsepower, not too bad, but I would like to see some good numbers on that dyno, but I guess we'll have to wait and see for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started working on this thing because I don't have much time, so let's do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's the next day after the clip you guys just watched, and it's 8 in the morning, so I'm gonna cold start my speed here, and we're gonna head to the dyno. I didn't get to show you guys everything we did yesterday to the speed to get it prepped for the dyno, but essentially we did spark plugs, brand new spark plugs, took the fuel pump out as you guys saw, cleaned all the internals, took the mass, airflow sensor out, cleaned that as well, and new blow off valve gasket, and that's pretty well it. My oil is still pretty good, so I didn't bother changing that, but just a couple essentials to do before making a road trip, and makes me less nervous to get on a dyno and really put some power down and see what this thing is making. So I'm really excited for this. So yeah, let's go get Kendra and Clark and head out.